Hello, Joey here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2015 Infiniti Q40 that we have for sale. Local 100 Clean Carfax is actually purchased from us when it was brand new, and it was just exchanged for a brand new Infiniti. Beautiful condition inside and out, and it's Infiniti certified pre-owned. You can only get a certified pre-owned Infiniti from a new Infiniti retailer like us. And who better to buy a pre-owned Infiniti from than a new Infiniti store? Our techs are certified to work on these vehicles. They work on them all the time, very familiar with them. And with the Infiniti pre-owned certification, you get lots of benefits. You basically get all the benefits you normally would as a brand new Infiniti purchase, like a roadside assistance, trip interruption. You get a complimentary Infiniti service loaner vehicle for extended stays at service. All benefits of a certified pre-owned. Most importantly, you get a certified warranty that covers 1,400 components. On this one, the certified warranty is 2 years, 24,000 miles from the date the certified warranty is activated. So when you buy this, we activate the certified warranty when we do all the paperwork, and that's when the certified warranty starts. So 2 years, 24,000 miles from the start date of your purchase of this vehicle. This Q40 looks very familiar. It looks a lot like a G37, and that's basically what it is. What happened is Infiniti confused a lot of people, and they revamped all their model names, and they changed the G37 to the Q40. The G37/Q40 was sold alongside the Q50 when it came out in 2014. So the Q40 is kind of the entry level Infiniti, where the Q40 was kind of one step higher, even though the Q50 is largely based on the Q40/G37 platform. Very, very similar in many ways. Engine, transmission, a lot of the mechanical components are very similar. The Q50 is a little bit more towards the luxury end, where the G37 is a little bit more towards the sporty end. Some car magazine reviews of the G37/Q40 have even equated the handling to almost Porsche-like. Excellent handling vehicles. I own a G35 myself. I've been with Infiniti 15 years, and they are so much fun to drive, built on the advanced front midship platform. This one has a leather interior, power and heated front seats, 7-speed automatic transmission with adaptive shift control. Adaptive shift control momentarily holds the car in gear for better acceleration out of a turn, corner, or when accelerating up a hill. Dual zone auto climate control. We have that traditional Infiniti analog clock we've all come to know so well. Backup camera, automatic dimming mirror, universal garage door opener, integrated compass, tilt telescoping steering wheel. And this is actually one of the last Infinitis to have a tilt gauge cluster. It was a little bit more widespread through the product line. I think it was just a little bit too expensive to manufacture. That's why they stopped doing it, but it really is a cool feature. Since the gauge cluster goes up and down with the steering wheel will never obstruct the gauge cluster because the gauge cluster moves with the steering wheel. Really ingenious design you don't see on too many vehicles. Really nice color combination, and a graphite gray on graphite leather. This is an all-wheel drive model. The Q40 came standard with rear-wheel drive, and all-wheel drive is optional. It has a powerful V6 that makes 328 horsepower, and you can see in our neck of the woods the roads are pretty wet and slippery, so 328 horsepower, sometimes the rear wheels on a rear-wheel drive Q40 can get overwhelmed. You put that power to the ground, the wheels are going to want to slip, the traction control system kicks in so the wheels don't spin, but that also reduces your performance. But with an all-wheel drive system, with the ability to send power to all four wheels, this thing just grips and goes, and it'll do far better in wet, slippery conditions performance-wise. And then if you drive in the snow, you're going to do a lot better in the snow versus rear-wheel drive. The all-wheel drive system is intelligent, and the way it works is when all-wheel drive is not needed, it will send 100% of the power to the rear wheels. It is a performance automobile, so that gives it the feel of a rear-wheel drive sports car. It feels pretty much just like a regular rear-wheel drive Q40, but when those rear wheels slip in a matter of milliseconds, almost instantly it can send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels. Really is an awesome all-wheel drive system made for a very long time, and the reason why they do that, not only to give it the feel of a rear-wheel drive sports car, But if the all-wheel drive system's constantly working all the time, it's going to chew through your tires faster, so you have the risk of premature tire wear, and it's going to reduce your gas mileage a little bit more from that drag of the all-wheel drive system working all the time. So that's why they have the rear-wheel drive bias. Interior space is rather generous. It's considered a compact vehicle. The rear doors open really wide. Some other cars, the rear doors will only open like that far, but you get a little bit extra, and it really makes a big difference, especially for an adult getting in and out of the car with a nice wide door opening. LED taillights, dual exhaust system, has a performance stance. Q40 is built on the advanced front midship platform, which is also shared with the Nissan 370Z. The front midship platform, basically the way it works is they take the engine and they move it as far back behind the front axle as possible, so the center of gravity is towards the middle of the vehicle. By doing so, that improves the handling and feel through the corners. Whenever you have a performance vehicle, you want as close to 50-50 weight distribution as possible. And that advanced front midship platform certainly helps improve the weight balance on this Q40. The heart of this Q40 is the award-winning VQ37 engine. It's still used in 2019 Infiniti products. Variations of this engine are also used in 2020 Infiniti products like the QX60. My 05 G35 has a variation of this engine. It's been used a long time. In my 15 years at Infiniti, I've seen these engines go 200,000–300,000 miles still running strong. It's one of the best V6s. Maintenance-free timing chain, so you never need to worry about the cost of replacement of timing belts. Platinum tip spark plugs means your first major tune-up is not till 105,000 miles. And with 328 horsepower, this thing really scoots. It is a serious performance machine. It might not look as flashy as a Mustang or other performance vehicles like a Camaro, but it is almost just as quick with all that power, and especially in wet conditions with that all-wheel drive system, it's probably faster than a lot of V8 Mustangs and Camaros in the wet weather. This thing is just an all-season performance luxury machine. Japanese build quality, certified pre-owned. If you're looking for a Q40, 2015 is the last year, the ending of a fantastic run of this G37 Q40 platform. It's proven to be a very reliable vehicle, and it's a great choice if you're in the market for an affordable sport luxury car. Thanks so much for watching this video, and we hope to see you in our store very soon.